Hi, good morning. My name is John Christian Gava from Bachelor of Science in Computer Science 2A. I'm from the Group 2 and my members is Johnben Nadal and Roberto Bayos Jr. So in this video, we will show how greedy algorithm works. So the problem is during your free time, your work at a nearby grocery store to help your parents save money and pay your bills, especially now that you are still in the grocery from the post-pandemic effects. In the grocery store, you need to work efficiently to avoid long lines at the counter. You also pay depending on the number of customers you have served for the day. However, the cash register box only contains a limited amount of money and will only refilled once a day. For you to be able to cater as many customers as possible, you need to give in each customer an exact amount of change if needed with the fewest number of bills and coins. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 price to pay. So in the column 2, the payment of custom. So this is the code that we made in group 2. So the first thing we did is we declared the variables of the user and the user will input a data. So the program will ask the amount due and the amount paid of the customer. Next, we subtract the payment of we subtract the price to pay of the customer to the payment of the customer. So, sa program na to, isi-subtract ni program yung price to pay ni customer or yung total amount due ni customer dun sa binayad niya para makuha yung change or yung sukli niya sa binayad niya. So, the program will display the amount change. So, the program will show the change of the customer. So, for example, nagbigay ng 500 pesos yung customer and the total amount due na nakuha niya is 100. So, the program will subtract and will get the 400. So, next, we declare a rate for the denomination of the change. So, in this program, gumawa kami ng isang array para ma-declare yung mga coins or yung cash na nasa cash box ni cashier. So, in this array naman, we declare from the highest to lowest amount. So, from 1,000, 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 1, 0.25, 0.25 cents, 0.10 cents, and 0.5 cents. So next, we use the while loop, and in this part of the program will compute or denominate the change of the customer. So for example, yung kagaya ng example ko kanina, we have the customer ay merong due na 100 pesos. So pag si customer nagbigay ng 500 pesos and the program will show 400. So, yung program naman, paghahati-hatiin yung 400 para makuha yung pinaka-fewest amount na ibibigay sa customer or fewest cost. So, for example, 400 yung change niya. So, the program will input a 400, apat na 100 para ma-minimize yung cost ng or ma-optimize yung solution para sa problem. So, next, I will show how the program works. So next, as we run the program, the program will ask the total amount of the customer. So for example, yung kanina ko, merong 100 pesos na amount due ang customer and nagbigay siya ng 500 pesos. So the total amount due is 400. Okay? 400. Or yung change na ibibigay sa customer. So yung cashier merong 200 peso bill. So, pwede siya magbigay ng dalawang 200 peso bill para makakuha ng 400 pesos na ibibigay sa customer. So, try naman natin i-run or i-input yung nasa activity. So, Dun sa activity, we have 174.75 cents and 2,000 pesos yung ibinigay ni customer. So, 1,724.75 cents and nagbigay si customer ng 2,000 pesos. So, the program will show isang 200, isang 50, isang 20, isang 5, and isang 0.25. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, 5 bills lang ibibigay ni cashier sa customer kasi meron siyang due na change na 275.25. So, kapag kinumpute mo to lahat, ang magiging change ay magiging total nito is yung 275.25. So, run ulit natin ng another example. So, we have 1,652.55. So, yung binigay ni customer ay 1,700. So, ayan. Merong due na 47.65. So, yung change ni customer ay 47 pesos and 45 cents. So yung bibigay sa customer is dalawang 20, isang 5, isang 1 point, isang piso, isang 0.25 and 0.1. So, yun yung ginawa naming code and thank you for listening.